Hello, beautiful people. My name is Princess. Yeah, this is my channel, Yoruba American Comedy. It's all about broadcasting, news, counseling, adverts, and culture. Tonight, what I have for you is about the exercise. Yeah, it's good to do exercise. Very, very good to do exercise. You could see my sister right there on my left side. You could see the way she's doing it. I'm just like her too. But when I do exercise on the chair, dancing, you can do exercise in a different way. You can run on the streets. You can do it in a gym. But make sure you do it every 30 minutes in a day. 30 minutes in a day is good. It's good for your blood circulation. It's good for your blood sugar. It's good for your high blood pressure. It's good for every disease in the body. It will give your body resistance to the disease, some of the disease. Then it will make you healthy. It will make your age, you will look younger than your age. Then you look fresh. Then after that, when you do the exercise, make sure you eat good food. Eat organic food. Don't eat junk food. Eat a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables like a cucumber, lettuce, broccoli, watermelon, pineapple, papaya, mango, oranges, berries, grapes. It's good for your body. Then make sure you drink clean water, a lot of water. It will flush out all the dairies. It will help your digestion, and it will clean all your system. If you don't used to use the bathroom every day, some people every day, some people every other day. But if you drink a lot of water, it will clean all your bowel system. Then your body will be free. Like if you are in Nigeria, if mosquito bites you, you have a malaria, you go through a plasmodium 6, drink a lot of water. It will flush everything out. When you start shivering, or you have a body high temperature, or you have some weaknesses of the body, eat good food and drink some water. You will shit everything out. You will flush everything out. Then make sure you do exercise. Exercise helps. It helps a lot. Especially we choppy people, choppy men, choppy lady. Exercise is good for you. If you do it, you will know that your body is good for you. You will not be getting sick all the time. It's good to do. If you are at work, you take 1 hour break, sleep 30 minutes, eat 15 minutes, 15 minutes, do some exercise. A lot of exercise like a basketball, table tennis, soccer, football, or running around the streets, or you can dance. Dancing is the best for young lady, for the big lady, for the elderly ladies. Dancing is good for you. If you dance, oh my God, you'll be fine. You'll be dancing to Sunny Ade, a lot of music that is your favorite music. Then if it's church music, put it. Dance for 30 minutes, okay. And if you don't like all those ones, you can do the squats, you can do the push-up, but make sure you do it like 30 seconds. Rest, then continue with another one until when you get your 30 minutes done. After that, you are fine. Believe me, you'll be okay. This give us body resistance to the disease, and it gives us It makes us live longer. Yes. It makes us look younger. Our 50 years old, you'll be looking like a 16. If I tell you my age, you won't believe me because of exercise. Yeah, I'm 16 now. I'm 16 now. 16 years of age. So exercise is good, my dear. Make sure you do it. Then number 2, don't tell anybody about your secret. Hide your secret to yourself. When you have problem, don't tell anybody. Talk to your God. When you sick, go to the hospital. When you get your medication, then pray to God. Then number 3, when you have big move, like you want to buy a house, you want to get a new car, don't tell anybody. Make it as a surprise to everyone. When you buy it finish, then you show them. Then they will say, oh, congratulations for your new things. It's good to hide things. Do it before you tell anybody. Then when you have a income, big income, don't let anybody know. Maybe your mates that you graduate together in the same school, the person might not get the good job like you. Maybe he's working as a security somewhere, he's getting like a $20 an hour, then you are getting like a $45 an hour, where you are doing a supervisor or you're doing a manager. Know how he's not going to jealous you. He or she will jealous you. That's why you hide your joy, hide your income. Alright? So don't let anybody know your income except when you are doing the financial aid for your kid in the school. That's when your family will know your income. They can know your income. That is better, it's good. But your friend, please hide your things. Alright? It's not that you hate them. No. But when they know your income, they will jealous you. They can harm you. Some people, they don't take it. They cannot handle that behavior. The next thing they will do is to harm you, to put you in trouble, just for you to get out of that place. If you have problem, or they fire you from work, then he or she will be happy. So that's why you should hide your income. Then don't let anybody know your weaknesses. Your weaknesses, maybe you don't do things at the right time. If they know, they can use that one to against you. Many things that you don't do right, many things that you're supposed to do and you did not do in time. Don't let anybody know. Put your things, keep your things to yourself. Alright? Maybe you go to work, you don't sign in time, you don't come in time. Please, you have to amend those areas. Go to work in time. Do the right thing at the right time. Don't do bad at work and you think your friend is not going to expose you. It will expose you. One day when you do something that she might need something from you and you don't get it in time, that's the day it's going to expose you. And you'll be surprised. You think you are free when you are doing it. You are not free. So that's why you don't do bad when someone is there. Make sure you amend it and you'll be fine. Then another one is a plan. When you have plan for wedding, when you have plan for good thing like birthday, or you want to travel, don't tell anybody. Make sure you get your stuff ready. Get your stuff ready. Find solution and make everything ready before you tell them. When you are traveling, you need to tell someone so in case anything happens. But tell somebody that is around you, your children, your husband, your wife, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your nephew, your mother, your father. Let them know. But don't tell everything to your friend. What you are going to do there. Maybe you are looking for a job. Maybe you are having you're going to submit the application and you know they're going to hire you. Please. Do not tell anybody. Get that job first. Work like 2 months before you say it out so that your joy can last. Please, my dear. That is what I have for you tonight. Make sure you eat good food, do some exercise, dance very well, see your doctor in time, take your medication as well. Yes, don't just do exercise alone without medication. Take your medication, seek advice from your doctor. They have lists for diabetes. They have list of food for hypertensive. They have list of food for all diseases, especially chronic diseases. Yes, asthma, blah blah blah. Yes, see the doctor. They will assist you and they will direct you in the right way. So, my dear, please subscribe. Please hit the notification button below. Like me. Share. Please share it to everybody. Help me share it. Share. Like your sister princess. Until next time, I'll bring another thing for you. Remain blessed and stay safe. Bye.